In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete CoinLedger account. Because account deletion is handled directly by the support team, we'll begin inside your CoinLedger dashboard and use the built-in help options to submit the request properly so it gets processed quickly. First, open your browser and go to the CoinLedger app. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your portfolio dashboard. You'll be initiating the request from here. If you're already logged in, you should see the main navigation and your account information. Everything we're about to do happens within this interface, so there's no need to leave the app or dig through external pages. Look toward the interface for the help icon. It looks like a light bulb with a question mark inside it. Click that icon to open the help panel. This is your gateway to support resources and real people who can assist with account actions. In the panel that opens, select Get Help. That will guide you into the support flow where you can describe what you need. Since account deletion can't be completed from settings, this is the official path to start the removal process. If you prefer, you can also use the CoinLedger AI chat button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click that to open a conversation window. This assistant can route your request to the support team and provide guidance on what information to include. It's simply another way to reach the same destination, so choose whichever option is easiest for you. When you're ready to submit the deletion request, clearly state that you want to delete your entire CoinLedger account. Include the email address associated with your CoinLedger account so the team can locate it accurately, and feel free to share a short reason for deleting the account. The reason is optional, but it can help support understand your situation. Keep your message straightforward and avoid sharing sensitive details like passwords or security codes. If the team needs to verify ownership, they'll let you know what's required. After your request is received, the support team can remove the account. You'll typically receive follow-up communication in your inbox tied to that account email, so keep an eye on it and check your spam or junk folder just in case. That's all there is to it. Open the help tools, ask to delete your account, include your account email, and let the support team complete the removal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get it done with confidence.